It's Friday, June 4th, 2021, and you're watching the Paper Call Report, brought to you by OfferVault, the largest affiliate offer directory in the universe. First, we have our top categories. For the 8th consecutive week, home services claimed the #1 spot on the top categories list, outranking the second place position by 247.99%. Legal continues to claim the second position, holding firm, while insurance falls behind the top two categories. Financial services overtakes personal insurance this week for the 4th spot. Now it's time for our top offers. Addiction marketing specialists jumped from last week's 3rd position to claim the top spot on the top offers list. While Netfly claims the second top offer position, Aragon Advertising falls from the top spot to the 3rd position. And no ties this week, Hyper-Target Marketing jumped up to the 4th spot, closely followed by Aragon Advertising. Broker Calls nips at Hyper-Target Marketing's heels as it takes the 5th spot. For direct links to the OfferVault campaigns, verticals, and more, be sure to check out the Ringba blog for full details. A link will be available in the comments below. Now it's time for our top networks. Hyper-Target Marketing holds strong in the #1 spot for our top networks list. In the 2nd position, LeadSmart is only a few percentage points from 1st place. Aragon Advertising struggles to keep up with the top two networks. Market Call remains in the 4th spot, and Digital Market Media jumps up to claim the 5th position. Digital Market Media jumps up to claim the 5th position. And this week, all top 5 pay-per-call networks are Ringba customers. Again, we'd like to thank our friends over at OfferVault for providing us with up-to-the-minute market data and helping us analyze the latest changes in the pay-per-call industry. Now it's time for our pay-per-call trends. For more market insights, we turn to our industry expert, Dave Mamane, founder and CEO of WeCall. Now, Dave, how are you taking advantage of cross-selling opportunities while still maintaining the quality of the leads for your buyers?
Thanks for having me on again. That's a great question. In today's world, we are really largely data aggregators, and collecting data and generating sales can be quite expensive. So cross-selling is actually a terrific opportunity to increase the monetization of your ad spend and increasing your overall margins in ROI. I think some of the more obvious cross-selling opportunities would be if you're running, for example, an auto insurance campaign. Well, obviously the data that you collect from an auto insurance campaign could be used for cross-pollination on verticals such as auto warranty, possibly even home insurance. I know often some of our auto insurance buyers, like Allstate, also offer home insurance. And when we're transferring the calls, obviously their agents try to take advantage of those opportunities to cross-sell similar insurance products. When you're dealing, for example, with senior products, if you happen to be in the Medicare space, well, you can obviously use that demographic data for senior-related products ranging from hearing aids, walk-in bathtubs, final expense. These are all verticals that obviously have similar demographics, and you could then repurpose that data to target that audience. Using products like Ringba's instant caller profile or data enrichment will allow you to potentially even contact those customers using different methods through emails or SMS. Obviously, all has to be compliant, and you need authorization to do that. But obviously, there's certainly opportunities for monetization by repurposing the data from one vertical and just thinking, what would that demographic be interested in? And That's usually a very effective way of stretching your ad spend and getting bigger dollars. And often that is the difference between a successful campaign and a not so successful campaign. It's really getting the maximum out of your ad spend, which is ultimately going to lead to your own success.
Thanks, Dave. Now it's time for our pay-per-call opportunities. Total Home Protection, a top-rated home warranty company that received the 2021 Best in Service Award by Home Warranty Reviews, is looking for inbound sales calls. If you're interested in working with Total Home Protection, please reach out to your representative or sales@ringba.com for more details. Xanadu Marketing is looking for certified call buyers for the following verticals: homeowners insurance, home security, cable and internet, home warranty, credit repair, and auto insurance. If you're interested in working with Xanadu Marketing, please reach out to your representative or sales@ringba.com for further details. Now it's time for our pay-per-call careers. Right here at Ringba, we're looking for more salespeople to join our amazing team. No industry experience or college degree is required, just a positive attitude, that desire to learn, and a willingness to put clients first at all times. Our salespeople can make unlimited commissions, travel the world, and have the freedom to work anywhere that they want. If you're interested, email sales@ringba.com to learn more. Thank you for watching this week's episode of the Pay-Per-Call Report. Be sure to tune in every Friday afternoon to stay on top of changes in the industry. If you're a Ringba customer and would like to be featured on the show, please contact your representative for more information. Ringba is the call tracking platform trusted by industry-leading pay-per-call companies. Connect your online marketing to your offline sales and get the data you need to drive revenue with Ringba. To learn more about how Ringba is changing the future of pay-per-call, visit www.ringba.com.